We're going to talk about how to avoid common pool mistakes so you can get back to swimming. So let's dive in. Mistake number 1, adding pool shock directly into the water. Pool shock is concentrated chlorine that can bleach anything that enters your pool. Instead, pre-dissolve shock by adding it to a bucket of warm water and mixing slowly while wearing protective gear. The shock will disperse more evenly throughout your pool and help protect your liner. Mistake number 2, not brushing your pool. Just like your teeth, your pool needs a good brushing to stay clean. Brush those hard-to-reach places, behind the ladder or steps, along the waterline, and the cracks and crevices. Do this once a week to keep algae and other debris at bay. Mistake number 3, using an automatic pool cleaner when you have an algae problem. Automatic pool cleaners just push algae and other debris up through a mesh bag. Instead, vacuum your pool manually to remove the algae and be sure to switch your filter to waste or remove the drain plug. You'll lose some water, but you'll also lose the algae. Mistake number 4, ignoring pH and alkalinity levels. Low pH and alkalinity can damage your pool equipment because your water is acidic. Test your water regularly and adjust your levels with pH increaser, alkalinity increaser, and other essential chemicals until everything's in balance. Mistake number 5, backwashing your pool filter too often. Backwashing cleans inside your filter, but overdoing it is a common mistake. Make a note of the filter pressure right after you backwash. When it climbs to 10 psi over the norm, it's time to backwash and clean your filter to bring that pressure back down. Mistake number 6, adding pool shock through your skimmer. Combining shock and chlorine creates a deadly gas that can cause an explosion if you have an automatic chlorinator. So don't add shock to the skimmer. Follow the manufacturer's directions and wear the appropriate safety gear. Mistake number 7, shocking your pool during the day. Shock is unstabilized chlorine and the sun will burn off 1 part per million every hour, which reduces the efficiency of shock and wastes money. Instead, shock at night to give it time to do its job and make sure no one's doing any night swimming. Mistake number 8, not leveraging the calcium hardness in your pool water. Calcium hardness helps extend the lifespan of your liner, concrete, or fiberglass pool. Add calcium hardness increaser when you open your pool and keep it at the recommended level of 200 to 250 parts per million. Test your water for calcium throughout the season since evaporation and splashout can cause the levels to drop. Mistake number 9, running your filter system less than 8 hours a day. The more you run your filter system, the cleaner your pool will be. Run your filter and pump at least 8 hours a day or more, preferably more. Depending on the size of your pool, this should be plenty of time for all of the water to pass through the filter. Mistake number 10, neglecting to test your pool water weekly. Weekly water testing can tip you off to small issues before they blossom into disasters. Test your pool water at least once a week, either with test strips or a liquid test kit. And take a sample of your pool water to your local pool supply store and get a detailed analysis at least once a month. And finally, mistake number 11, wearing street clothes in your pool. Wearing your everyday duds in the pool can introduce chemicals, fibers, and other contaminants to your water. Plus, the chemicals in your water can ruin your clothes. Instead, only wear proper swimsuits in the pool. Every goof is a lesson on improving your pool care game. So take the time to learn from the mistakes of others. You'll spend less time maintaining your pool and more time enjoying it. Happy swimming.